Good evening, legislators and guests. Thank you for the opportunity to speak tonight. My name is Jan Lau, and I'm president of the Iowa Alliance for Retired Americans, representing 38,000 Iowa members. The Alliance supports Senate File 296 and the expansion of Medicaid to Iowans up to 138% of the poverty level. While it is true that Medicaid expansion will mainly benefit low-income adults under age 65, the Urban Institute points out that around 2 million uninsured adults who could gain Medicaid coverage under the Affordable Care Act are between the ages of 55 and 64. That's about 10% of the uninsured who could be covered. And this is the age group for which it is often the most difficult to afford or obtain insurance. The Urban Institute goes on to say that increased coverage among this group could not only increase their access to needed care, but could also reduce future health care costs under Medicare. Research suggests that lack of coverage before reaching Medicare eligibility at age 65 is associated with greater utilization and higher expenditures under Medicare. Obviously, expanding Medicaid is good for the uninsured. It's hard to get healthy and stay healthy without insurance. Most of the folks who would be covered have jobs, but are paid low wages with no benefits. They can barely put food on the table and a roof over their heads, let alone pay high premiums for insurance. Expanding Medicaid is also the fiscally responsible choice. The federal government will pay 100% for the first 3 years and at least 90% after that. The expansion is already paid for through taxes and fees. Any other plan would cost Iowans far more. Not only that, the economy will benefit through the creation of jobs in health care, and society benefits because care received at the doctor's office is cheaper than care received in the emergency room. Over the last 20 years, I have served on a number of health care commissions and task forces under 3 different governors from both political parties. Each time, our goal was to make health care coverage more available and affordable to more Iowans. Now that we have that opportunity, how can we say no? Iowans know that paying more to cover fewer people is illogical, irresponsible, and makes no sense. On behalf of the Alliance, I urge legislators and the governor to listen to Iowans, to separate fact from fiction, to separate partisan politics from what is good for the state and its people, and make the sensible choice. Pass Senate File 296. Thank you.
Thank you.